Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. It's the start of my week, so this is an exciting week. We have a launch party on Wednesday, and then I have Rolling Loud over the weekend, but that's going to be a separate vlog. Right now I'm in my parents' room because the lighting in here is so much better than my room right now, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. So this is my outfit. This shirt, it says YSL, but it's from Cole & Terry. This skirt's actually from Primark, and then my shoes are my Doc Martens. Then I have sunglasses on my head, which are from Urban, and my hair obviously doesn't look curly, looks more like on the wavy, like just different like hair texture style. I actually slept with braids in my hair because my hair was really knotty and I needed to take it out, but I knew I wasn't gonna have time in the morning to wash my hair. So I just did that, and then I put my Diva Refresh curl. So this is my hair. It doesn't look that bad. I don't mind it. So yeah, but that is about it for my outfit. I'm gonna go downstairs to eat breakfast and I'll be heading out. I don't have a class until 2:30. I missed my first class because I overslept. So it is like around like 2:12, and I don't have much time, but I'm going to Chick-fil-A because I saw a girl had like a Chick-fil-A drink and I was like, wow, Chick-fil-A would like slap right now. So I'm gonna go buy food, then run back to class. But I'm better off just eating now so that in my next break I don't have to eat. And then when I get out of my last class, I could just eat out. So hopefully I have enough time. I mean, I put my stuff down in the classroom, so like I'm not like late. So yeah, I'm probably gonna walk back and people are gonna be like, what the hell? She literally ran to Chick-fil-A so quick. So now I'm on my second break of the day. It's like 5:15 around there. And I'm going to Uniqlo for a homework assignment. And then I have my class at 6 o'clock. And then after that, I will be done with classes and I'll be eating. Okay, so I just got out of my class. I'm currently in Grand Central and I'm about to meet up with Tony. We're gonna go get food, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but my last class was actually interesting. So yeah, I'll update you guys once we get food. But I did a poll and a lot of you guys asked for me to post more about food. So I will be doing that. For now, I'm just gonna get on the train and go downtown. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, and yesterday I forgot to vlog after I'm taking my aunt to the doctor because she broke like a bone. We don't know what bone or whatever. We're gonna find that out now. And then afterwards, I think I'm gonna get my eyebrows done because it's prep for Rolling Loud week and the weekend. So I got a couple things to do. I might go to the city, I'm not sure yet. And then I'm hanging with my friends at night. So kind of exciting day, not really. I've been editing the camping vlog. That's like halfway done. But as of right now, I'm just gonna put on my shoes, eat breakfast, and head out to the doctor's. Okay guys, so I got everything from Pretty Little Thing, and it's a lot of black, but it's okay. You know, winter's coming up. First thing I got is this corset. Looks like this, really pretty. It will definitely look prettier on. This isn't the best angle, but like I'm recording this on my phone, so we're just gonna have to work with it. But yeah, as you can see, like the corset kind of hangs. It doesn't have like that corset feeling. It like just feels like a top that's just gonna be a little bit tighter. So corsets are really in, so I wanted to order a good amount of them. So that's what I did on Pretty Little Thing. So I got this like chocolate corset one. This is like more of a full-on top. This is really cute. I hope it's like tight on me. I think I got it in an extra small. So I feel like I probably should have said this before. So I ordered a lot of things because I want to see what I'm gonna wear to Rolling Loud. So like this is my day 1 or 2 fit. It might be day 2. It's one of those things that I ordered tons of shirts to see what I can wear with like my other things. I got this bodysuit. It's a high-rise bodysuit, so like my hips are gonna be out. It kind of has a low cut for like the boobs. And then I got the same corset top, but in white. So one of these tops I'm gonna end up wearing for Rolling Loud. And I got this. And then I also got this oversized distress. Actually, this isn't the distressed one because it was sold out. But I got this oversized black denim jacket, which I'm excited about because that's also something that a girl needs because I love black. And I'm so tired of just like regular denim jackets. And then I also got these jeans, these boyfriend jeans that are like huge, but like they're so nice. And then they have a cuff, I mean, they have rips on the knees. and I'm really excited. These are so big, but like I really hope it looks good, or else I'm not gonna know what I'm gonna wear for Rolling Loud day 2. Now that I think about it, I ordered these other pants from Pretty Little Thing that might go with one of these tops. So now I'm gonna try everything on. Hopefully everything fits and looks good, because a girl just needs an outfit for Rolling Loud. Currently, I'm getting ice cream. What? I got 2 flavors. Oh! I got the munchies and I got the snap marshmallow pop. Very good. Ooh. Yep. Morning guys, it is Wednesday. I have my nail appointment at 8:30, which is really early. I thought I was gonna have to take my dad at the airport at 6 a.m. So then I was like, okay, so then at 8 a.m. I'll be up already. But then it ended up being that we're leaving here at 10. So hopefully I get my nails done quick enough, because he's impatient and he loves to be at the airport early. So hopefully that ends up working out, but I'm going to the airport. I'm dropping him off after that. And then hopefully the gym and then the launch party. So I hope you guys are excited. Today's more of an exciting day. I'm doing more things. And I'm really excited for this launch party. It's been a while since I've seen them, the NYC Latina bloggers. So I'm really excited. Ooh. But right now, I'm just wearing this shirt from Zara, these Levi jeans, and my gym sneakers that I use because they're easy to slip on. I have my hair back because my hair's not looking that cute anymore. I need to wash it, but I wanted my hair to last until Wednesday, so I didn't actually have to wash it. I'm trying to not wash my hair until like Friday, Saturday. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go eat breakfast now, and then I'll talk to you guys after I eat my nails done. Hi guys, so I just finished getting my nails done. Well, I didn't just finish. I just dropped off my dad at the airport. Now I'm going back home and I'm gonna go to the gym. It's raining, but I still have like a good amount of time before I have to get ready for the launch party, since it's at 7 o'clock. And I was planning on like getting ready around like 4, so then I could be there on time. And I don't have to, but it is a little trip. It's probably like an hour and a half. No, I dragged it. It's like an hour and like maybe like 10 minutes to get there. So I could leave around the house like around 6. Actually, I might need to start getting ready quicker. So yeah, but I still plan on going to the gym. Those are my plans for right now. I'll be home like in 10 minutes, but I'm so excited to show you guys my nails, because like you can see it a little bit here, but obviously up close you're gonna see it better. For the event now, I kind of curled my hair but left it at its like natural state. My necklace is from the M Jewelers. This top is from Pretty Little Thing. So are the pants, and then my shoes are Sam Edelman. This fit is so cute. I love it. I kept my makeup pretty simple. I just decided to go with the red lip, and my little cousin screaming, mind that. And I also added lashes. These are from one that I got from BoxyCharm. I'm not completely sure the name of it, but now looking at my fingers, these are my nails for Astroworld. Well, not Astroworld, for Rolling Loud. And they also glow in the dark, and I have a picture of it, but you can't see it. And then there's like the little reflective flame that you can kind of see. But yeah, so I'm all ready to go. I'm about to leave now, so I will update you guys when I'm at the event. So I got here really early. I got here around like 6:38, and it's like 6:52 now, and I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day. I just had a coffee. That's all I had to eat. I haven't even snacked on food now that I think. Oh, I had a piece of banana. That's all I've had today. So I'm starving. I need food. I don't know if there's gonna be food there, because I mean, it's a restaurant, like there has to be food there, but like, you know, obviously this event's going on, so like I don't really know what's happening, but I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just like go buy food or just go inside, and I don't even know, guys. But I really wish I could find out if there was gonna be food there or not. And I know I could ask her, but like I feel like that's just weird. Like, I don't know. But now I'm just waiting. I wish I got here later, but I'm always early. I need to stop doing that. I need to start being late, because then I hate waiting. So that doesn't really work out for me well.
Fire, 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 fire. AB on the track, yeah.
into that, I want to go ahead and I want you guys to turn to two people that you don't know. Introduce yourself, say what it is you create, as well as exchange Instagram handles, okay? So you have to donate. And just to give you an idea, the money that is raised from all of my events, they go to the not-for-profits that help with counseling, therapy, legal services, housing, childcare, and all of these things for survivors that don't have that luxury and don't have those resources, you know, in front of them. So again, thank you, Selena, so much. This is so important to me. Not only raising awareness on my end, but just networking and being able to find so many dope people that do so many dope things for our community. So thank you so much for having me.
So I'm walking from the event now. I just left. The event was so pretty. I loved it. I had so much fun. I met tons of new people and also reunited with people that I already knew, vloggers. I'm gonna insert a couple of clips that I have from my Instagram and from videos that we just recorded while we were there, but it's raining now and I had a lot of fun. So yes, I'm walking to my car now to be on my way home. Hi guys, good morning. I'm running a little bit late, so like I'm getting to class late, but oh my god, because I woke up late. I don't even have makeup on. I'm a mess, but yeah, I just have that one class today and then I'm coming home, start packing for Rolling Loud, and today's gonna be the last day of this vlog because I'm starting a new one for tomorrow for Rolling Loud. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Depending what I actually do tomorrow is depending if I'm gonna include that in this vlog or tomorrow's vlog. I'm excited for Rolling Loud. I can't believe it's already here and it's gonna be a great weekend. So I'll talk to you guys once I get to class. So I'm back home. I went to my class, came right back home. I was just chilling on my bed, but I decided to show you guys what I got last night in my little goodie bag from the event. So I should probably invest in a tripod for my vlogs. So this is the bag, everything came in. So we got a couple things in here. So I got this little clip, hair clip, so cute. I actually wanted one of these hair clips, but I never actually wanted to buy one because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it that often, but that one's so cute and simple, I love it. Then we got a Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask. So excited for this. I haven't used an eye mask in a while. And then we got the Hello Active Charcoal Epic Whitening toothpaste. I actually have this. I'm actually running out of mine and I just got a new one. So that's great. Then I also got the Hers multivitamins. I'm so excited for this. Who doesn't love free vitamins? Then I also got these pair of earrings. So cute. And I don't really use big earrings like that, but like I said, that's also one of those things that like I like it. I would want to start to use them. And look, I got free ones. Then I got this little packet from yoursuper.com. Energy Bomb, which is an organic superfood mix. Really excited about that. I've never tried one of these. Then I also got a coupon, a 50% off coupon of carry-on trips. That's exciting. And then the last thing is that I got a planner from the 2019-2020 year, which is, this is so cute. This is from Bloom. I actually have planners from them. And I'm so excited to use this. I really do love their planners. So very happy. I got another one. I'm probably going to use this for my YouTube since the one I have already is for my school. So this can be dedicated to YouTube. But that is all I got in my little goodie bag. So now I am actually just waiting for Gabby to give me the go, for me to go pick her up. And we're going to hang out. I have a couple things to do. So hopefully I can run those errands while I'm with her. As of today, I'm just going to start packing for Rolling Loud. I have a lot of things to pack. So I'm really excited. I feel like my weekend's now like really starting and we love that. Guys, I don't know if I should just end the vlog here. We'll see.